All right, you young lads and lassies, we're back at it again. How's my southern accent? Anyways, guys, what this is all about is, yeah, let's get us a wee bit more of Rita's sausage. Get another little bite, because there's garlic in there. There we go, look at that. Perfect size bite. There's a little fat in there. Give us some warmth. After day 2, it's getting a little drier and drier, so excellent for let's go for a ride. So guys, we're gonna investigate we're gonna investigate if any of those buildings behind us is a grocery store, and see if we could get maybe a bit of grapes or something, or a bunch of grapes. I don't think they sell grapes by the bits. So we're gonna have a bunch of grapes, and we're gonna continue pedaling, guys. Yeah, I was thinking of maybe doing like a 15-20 minute break or something, but you know, for me, I love to pedal. I love the break at the end of the day, after you've worked hard, you know. And so I believe in like 5 to 10 minute breaks, short breaks. You know, get your energies, get a bite, get a sip of water. We're gonna leave the coffee until maybe a little bit later, if we need the extra boost. And yeah, so let's go investigate this little town of Hamel, or Hamel. Take one more photo here, guys. Of the sign itself. So here we go. Let's go back to maps. Let's get them back on track. Recenter. Let us here continue charging, or we should be all right, I think. Yeah, we'll charge it up a little more until full, and then I believe we should be more than okay. All right. Oh, there's a there. Cycling as well. So yeah, let's walk up here. Sometimes a little walk will do. Also, the historic Hamel still got to figure out how to pronounce it properly. So this is like a creamery. Thought there would be a gas station there, but just ice box, a bank. This creamery. Oh, there's a gas station in there. So yeah, let's go up to that gas station, guys. And yeah, we gotta go up the old US Route 66, guys. Locally in the county known as Route 157, sorry. So let's see what the old Shell gas station has in store for us. And then we'll get back en route. All right, food mart. Don't see any activity here except me crashing into their soul, I believe. Our horse is safe there. I do believe. Yeah. How you doing? Is my horse safe there? My bicycle.
You're looking for a horse. I'm like, horse? Oh, I see a horse, man.
Oh, I'm riding, but it doesn't look like there's too much activity around here.
That's what I thought.
All right. Let's have a look what they got by the way of fruit department.